Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very beautiful tulip headband or hairband accessories using crochet technique. So here I have used only basic things like yarn in 3 colors, crochet hook and scissor. That's it. You need only 3 ingredients to create such a beautiful piece. And it took around 1.5 hours to complete this headband. So you can create in many colors according to the dress. You can create for the matching outfit and just flaunt your handmade beauty. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking these 3 colors of yarn, that is white, pink and green. This is bamboo yarn. So this is 70% bamboo, 30% cotton and completely eco-friendly. I got this yarn from my Finland trip, but you can use any kind of yarn, whether it is cotton yarn or acrylic, anyone will be fine. And also I am using the 3mm crochet hook for my complete project, and also we will be needed one scissor, and of course we need one yarn needle later at the end. Now here I am taking white yarn and making the slip knot, attaching the yarn to the hook. Then I am simply making 56 chains. So just yarn over, pass through previous loop, yarn over, pass through previous loop and simply create the chains. So all the 56 chains are ready. Now we need to do single crochet in each chain. So just passing through the next chain, yarn over, again yarn over and passing through both the loops. Passing through next chain, yarn over, again yarn over and passing through the loops. And we need to finish this till the end of the chain. So here I have just reached to my last chain and making my last single crochet, then doing chain 1, cutting the excess yarn and just fasten it off. And this will be our base for the headband. Then I am starting with working on green color yarn. So just on the first topmost chain, passing my green yarn, then doing chain 3. Then we need to skip 2 chains, and on third chain I am doing the double crochet. So just yarn over, passing through the chain, yarn over, passing through first 2 loops, yarn over and passing through last 2 loops. Then doing chain 1, again doing double crochet in the same stitch. Then skipping 2 chains, and on the third chain making double crochet, chain 1, again making double crochet in the same stitch, then we need to skip 2 chains and repeating the process till the end. So I have reached to my last chain and making the double crochet for last time. Then doing chain 1 and just fasten it off. And it should look like this. So it will be the leaf of the tulips. Now I am connecting my pink color yarn with the second chain, doing chain 3, then we need to do the popcorn stitch on the gap between the V shape. So here I'm passing through only first 2 loops each time, and we need to create total 5 double crochet, and they all should be incomplete. Just yarn over and pass through first 2 loops. Remaining loops will be on your tool only. And when you have total 6 loops on your crochet hook, just yarn over and pass through all the loops together. This is called popcorn stitch or puff stitch. Then doing chain 2, and it should look like this. So this is our first tulip. Now again, between this V design, I am making one more puff stitch. So just doing 5 double crochets. Pass through all the loops and chain 2. So I have reached to my last slot and making the last tulip. And this is done. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So all the beautiful tulips are ready. Now it's time to connect our white yarn. So on the topmost right slot I am passing my white yarn. Making total 2 chains. Then doing the single crochet in the same stitch. Then on the next slot, that is between 2 tulips, I am doing 3 single crochets in the same slot. Again between 2 next tulips in the gap, I am making 3 single crochets, and we have to repeat it till the end. So I have reached to my last tulip, and then we have to run our tool towards the left side. So wherever you find the gaps, you have to make 3 single crochets. So in short, I am covering this left side completely with my white yarn. Then making chain 1 and turn the work. Now from right to left, I am simply creating single crochets. making chain 1, again turning my work. Then we have to decrease, so I am just doing 1 decrease here, then making single crochets in between. And on last 2 chains again I am decreasing. Then doing chain 1, and we have to repeat this till we get only single chain at the end. Now for the last time I am decreasing, and we have now single chain. Then in total I am continuing it by making 50 chains. Then after doing 50 chains, making 3 more chains, and from top inside the third chain I am making 1 double crochet, that is on the third chain. Here I am making small flower at the end. Then chain 1, again on the same slot making slip stitch, then doing chain 2, making 1 double crochet in the same chain. So I am making total 5 petals for my flower in the same chain, and repeating it for 3 more times. So our 5 petals are ready. Now for the last time I am making chain 1 and cutting the yarn. And it should look like this. Similarly, I am going to repeat the process on the other side. That is, first create single crochets, then decrease, and then add chain, and at the end add flower. So I have done with all the process again on the right side, and both the sides are done. Now I am showing you how to lock this hanging yarn inside the flower. So just pass the hanging yarn through the needle and pass it through the flower like this for 3 to 4 times, and then cut the yarn. Similarly, these 2 yarns I am making some knots and then passing through the needle and then passing between the stitch. and just cut the yarn. And in this way I have secured all the hanging yarns. So your work will be neat and beautiful after doing all the hard work. And I'm loving the pink green combination, but you can create in yellow combination, in orange color, in purple color, whatever color you like. And I'm just loving it so much. I'm going to wear it very soon when I'm going to visit the tulip farm. And this is looking absolutely stunning, very light in weight. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.